Each clip isn't just an incident, it's a lesson. This video has been created for educational purposes, featuring original text-based commentary to help you understand every moment more clearly.
Oh, look at that. Boom. Oh, the great. So, just making a quick that picture for us. This isn't about, oh yeah, the feds don't have to be involved in someone cheating at poker. Right. But they are. And this, particularly for that amount of money. So look, and oh, by the way, this has nothing to do with my feelings on what's going on. I think this is all going on. I'm glad it's getting exposed. I think these leagues are much dirtier than we allow ourselves to believe. And I believe it's all going Shit, what the fuck? What? What the fuck? I ate a green.
Emergency video.
Oh, you! Fuck! But why is not that 40 if I stumble? Like a gamble, like a gamble. We still rode up 456. We was just hitting legs. Youngins on the
Manual recording will now start.
They say that if something can make a sound, then it can also make music. And I wonder, it may just be proving that theory to be true. And just wait till you find out what.
What the hell? Wait, actually, what the hell was that?
Video locked.
Wait, that's like the worst driving I've possibly ever seen. Wow.
Mouthful of white teeth. There was an iron cross on his tunic. He had me all right. He didn't intend to capture me. But as Dan falls backward, one of his hands, by pure happenstance, lands on his automatic. He grips the gun, pulls it, and fires into the German 3 times. Dan watches as the Bosch's grin fades to a look of surprise, then disappointment.
Here is that, like, instead of sending off 10 requests for 10 cities, it sends an array of 10 requests once, and then those 10 things are executed on the server. And I guess you could have logic on your server to do them all at once, or you can just fire them all off at once, and then it sends all the responses back at once. So that helps both with network, but also I'm assuming it helps with rendering as well, because then you're not getting 10 render updates as they come in. You simply just get one.
What the fuck? Fuck you!
This is also important to outline. We're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
都是这样嘛。对啊。我那么辛苦了，我都不能怎样这样。对，所以像外劳有时候很难存到钱。他们做法就是一定要。哎呦，老公！啊！哎呦。
Toś fajnie narobił, skurwielu, toś fajnie narobił, no. Fajnie, kurwa.
男行 K51+000，情人